Hi there, I'm Ismail from Pelemon, and today we're going to be talking about the dark side of SEO, the things that the gurus won't tell you. If you've ever tried to rank a website, you've been told and sold the clean version of SEO, keywords, backlinks, content strategy. But today we're going behind the curtain. We're talking about the uncomfortable truths, the tactics that look like they work until they destroy you, and the things even experienced SEOs quietly struggle with. Let's get into it. Here's something that nobody says out loud. Google owes you nothing. One algorithm update rolled out on a random Tuesday can cut your traffic by 80% overnight. The 2023 Helpful Content Update wiped out thousands of legitimate websites. Sites with real expertise, real authors, real value, gone. And there's no appeals process, no explanation, no sorry we made a mistake. You can do everything by the book and still lose everything. SEO is not a stable strategy. It's a calculated gamble and you need to treat it as one. Black hat SEO still works. And that's the problem. Let's be honest. Black hat SEO techniques like buying links, scraping content, keyword stuffing still works, sometimes for years. And that's exactly what makes it dangerous. People see results, they scale it, they build their whole business on it, and then one day Google catches up and it all collapses. The real dark side isn't about black hat being tempting. It's the punishment is never immediate. So people keep doing it, keep winning short term, and keep setting themselves up for a brutal fall. The link building industry is quietly corrupt. Backlinks are still one of Google's most powerful ranking signals, and because of that, an entire shadow industry has grown around buying and selling them. Guest posts that are really just paid placements, editorial links that were negotiated in DMs, link farms dressed up as legitimate blogs. The dirty secret, almost everyone is doing some version of this, and Google knows it. They've even publicly said they can detect most paid links. So, either you are playing a game that Google tolerates or one they're about to shut down. Either way, you're not really on solid ground. Here's something nobody wants to admit. A lot of SEO-driven content is genuinely bad for the internet. Articles written not to help people but to rank. Questions answered in 2,000 words when 50 would do. AI-generated fluff stuffed with keywords. We've optimized so hard for search engines that we forgot the actual human reading the page. And now, with AI content at scale, it's getting worse. The dark irony is that Google created this problem by making content the currency of SEO. And this is the biggest dark truth of it all. You're literally building on rented land. Every single SEO strategy is built on a platform you don't own or control. Google can change the rules tomorrow. They can add more ads above organic results, squeezing your clicks. They recently added structured snippets, the Google Map pack. People also ask, all these things are designed to take attention away from organic search. They can answer your target keyword directly in the search results and eliminate your traffic entirely. They've done all these things, but the real lesson isn't just to do better SEO. It's you need to diversify. Build an email list, build a brand, build something that doesn't disappear when an algorithm changes. SEO is a channel, not a foundation. The dark side of SEO isn't about shady tactics. It's about a false sense of security that comes with ranking. Know the risks, play smart, and never put all your eggs in Google's basket. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.